Hello, a very good morning to my little hearts whom I miss a lot. I don't know when I will be able to see you all and we will be in school again. Yes, so I do. I miss every one of you. All the smiling bright faces which keep on chirping in the class, which keep on running around, the buzzing sound that comes during the tiffin period. I do miss everything regarding the school. I know, I'm sure you all do. Alright, so let's begin the class. Before that, let me tell you that at the end of this month, that is at the end of July, you are going to get one more worksheet like the previous I won't say term. In the previous 2 months back you all have got it, and this by the end of July also you will get one. For that, which you will have to prepare yourselves. You will have to prepare your lessons so that you can solve your worksheet yourself without taking the help of any of the elder members of your family. And you all are intelligent and capable enough to solve the things yourself. I know that very well. And as soon as the school reopens, I and all the teachers are there who take the subjects of yours. The respective teachers will take their check their copies of their subjects. Okay, so keep on practicing, and from today what we are going to do, we are going to start our revision class. So today the first chapter that we are going to revise is chapter 7, doing words, that is verbs. So how many of you remember, I keep on telling you every day to learn the definitions of the chapters in which the definitions are being provided. So on the basis of that, I am asking how many of you can tell me the definition of verbs. Just think to yourself that if you can answer, very good. You all have followed what I said and you all are learning well. But those who couldn't, just think that ma'am used to tell us to learn, but we didn't. In worksheets we are going to get the the definitions of the chapters. Yes, you will. So doing words, that is verbs. I'll start with the definition only. Doing words tell what a person, animal or thing does. They tell what a person, animal or thing does. They are also called action words. Action words are called verbs. The actions that we perform or the actions that we see people around us are performing are known as verbs. So the verbs are the action words. Suppose Millie writes, Ashok laughs, birds fly in the sky. You can say, I'm watching Satish plays in the playground. I watch cartoons. Yes, so here watch, plays. I eat milk every day. So eat. So any action words, actions that we perform is the verb. Here there are a few exercises related to it, and you will have to go through those exercises very well. Suppose I say the cow dash. Fill in the blanks with suitable naming words. I mean with suitable verbs. For each I will give you naming words and you will have to fill in the blanks to complete the sentence with verbs, with the action words. The cow grazes. The boy plays or laughs or writes. You can say anything. If there is no option, then you can write anything from your own but if there are options given to you, you will have to pick it up from the box and say which thing will be there with which word. Alright. The stars twinkle, the fish swims, the kangaroo hops, and the singer sings, a sportsperson plays, a teacher teaches, a student learns. Alright, so in the similar way you will have to go through the exercises well along with the definition of verb. Now that another thing that you will have to read is the sounds of animals. A duck quacks, a horse neighs, a crow cows, a snake hisses, a frog croaks, C-R-O-A-K-S, okay. A lion roars, a cat mews. It's not M-E-W-S, M-E-O-W-S. Learn the spellings by heart, alright. A bird chirps, C-H-I-R-P-S. A bee buzzes. A cock crows, C-R-O-W-S. A sheep bleats, B-L-E-A-T-S. A wolf howls, H-O-W-L-S. So these sounds also you will have to remember. And one more thing I will tell, that you won't get it in this match the column form. You will have to remember these things. I will ask you that name the sounds that a duck make, or name the sound of the following. I will say as the heading, and then I will give the name of the animals, a duck, a crow, or like that, and you will have to answer it. So learn your chapters by heart. The next day again we will revise chapters of the grammar book, and that's all for today. Revise your lessons. Stay blessed. Take care of yourself. Stay fit and healthy. Till then, take care. See you in the next class. And yes, again I will send the snapshot of it in the homework and assignment option in the Holy Home app, so that those who have missed, they can get it one more time. Okay, bye bye.